Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on Ethereum and of course Bitcoin chart. Guys, we're still looking really healthy and really good here. We do have the FUD lingering over us, which is the infrastructure bill, and we talked about in my earlier video. And I had a long clip of Kathy Woods talking about that, and she singled out Ethereum as being and DeFi as being hit the hardest if this bill passes. How it can literally get destroyed if this bill passes, which is kind of scary to me. Okay, and Bitcoin in general will all go down if it does. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But the charts still look good. This is so we're having a problem. It's a tug of war right now. What do? We waited for this bump and run. This, if you guys don't know, I drew this line right here. I drew this bump and run all the way back here, back in like mid-June. Okay, I've been talking about this bump and run forever. Okay, we had this little wedge. We broke out of this wedge. We had this bigger wedge. We retested it. I talked about all these moves. Okay, we hit our line here. Bought back in here. I mean, we literally traded this so many times and made so much money here, guys. And now we're testing this area. And I drew this line right here, guys, a long time ago. That's why I left it, because I thought it was pretty funny that it's kind of played out like this, right? It's pretty crazy. But anyways, if you look right here, okay, we have our $45,000 point. We have a touch point here, touch point here, touch point here. A lot of resistance at 45. Plus, we have the 200-day moving average. Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing this update is because there is a lot of shorts that have been coming in today. We're at almost 38% on the day with short interest. Just coming in here recently, and there's more on other exchanges. The shorts are starting to come in. Okay, so we gotta be careful that the shorts are coming in. We're hitting some resistance. We nailed our targets on Ethereum. Okay, because we talked about this double bottom. We traded each of these bottoms. I had wedges here, so we caught this bottom, traded this top, caught this bottom. Okay, now I traded this right here, and I told you about it today at 31.70. I talked about once we broke this W, the double pattern, the double bottom, or the W pattern that we call it. Once we broke the top of this, that no matter what, we were going to get to 31,000, and we did do that. Okay, and now we're here. But we're also, above this. God, we're above this. Oh man, I also said if we get a daily close above this area here. Above this trend line, this would look very, very bullish. And the daily close is coming up in an hour and a half. Okay, so it would look very bullish to me if that happened. I'm not going to lie to you guys. There could be more upside. And, I believed that with this momentum, and we broke here without the FUD in the news, that we could get up to this 33,000 or even 35. $36,000 area. Actually, 35,000 right about here would be another potential target. I mean, 3,500. I'm sorry. Looking at Ethereum, 3,500 or 3,300 or 3,350 area right here. Okay. But with the news and the FUD, it's kind of scary because they're making this infrastructure deal. Now they're lingering it. They're dragging it along. We don't know if it's going to happen tonight now, tomorrow. They're talking about possibly going into Sunday, into Monday. So we don't know what's going to happen. But the charts still look bullish. So we're at this crossroads right now because if they do pass the bill and it comes out that, hey, Ethereum's going to get destroyed, then Ethereum's going to get destroyed and the market's going to tank. DeFi, I mean, you're going to see, 80% of the cryptos just getting demolished. And Bitcoin will go down, of course. Everything will fall with it. So, that's a possibility that can happen, guys, which is scary. Okay. And if you guys know, when things drop in these exchanges really fast, that they freeze, the servers freeze up. You can't just get out. Your stop losses won't work. It gets ugly quick. Okay. Now, if we close under this, which is about anywhere, if we close $3,000 under 3,020 area, we could get rejected off this line and roll back over. Okay, and come back down. All right. But if we close above it, which is about 3,040, 3,050 area, there is a possibility we can break this 3,170 area and get a little higher. I mean, that's just the facts, guys. But you guys are taking a chance by holding this. There is shorts coming in. Like I said, I sold my position. I could have made a big mistake, and I didn't want to, guys, because I've been waiting for this on the charts. I mean, we were waiting for this moment. Okay, we haven't even hit the 200-day moving average. So this is killing me by doing this. This hurts my heart, hurts my chest. It really does. It kills me by doing this. But it's one of those things where if you guys want to take a risk, you guys can take a risk. I rather listen. We made so much money trading this. Okay, if you watch my videos, we killed it. Okay, trading all these charts. And I mean, it's still looking good here on the hour on Bitcoin. It's still looking good on the 4 hour. Let's look at the weekly. Look at this. The weekly. I mean, look at this. I mean, we're breaking out on the weekly. I mean, everything's looking good. Let's see. Do we have any? Oh, look at this. Look at this. What do we have here? Resistance, 45,000 on the weekly. Guys, everything's just lining up with that $45,000 mark. I think we touch it, we get rejected. That's a possibility. All right. And then our next, actually in this box right here, there could be that box right there where we could watch out for. We can draw this little box up. Boom. What happened? Did I not draw it? Oh. But we can draw this box up here. Let's see. Boom. What the? Oh, did I not? Oh, it's on lock. That's why. Hold on. Sorry, guys. It's on lock. I had to unlock it. Okay, now we can draw this box up. Boom, 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 boom. And that could be an area of potential rejection, and then maybe a pullback down to here, and then a bounce. Depending on the news, guys. This is. I don't like trading based on news or tweets or stuff like that. It just sucks that we're waiting for this breakout, and we're getting every move we're getting perfect, and it just hurts my heart that like I'm at the point where do you wait for the bill? Do you take the chance? Do you hold? Do you have your exchange freeze on you and lose your money, or we wake up tomorrow and this thing's up to 33.5 or 33.50 area, and everybody's mad at me, and I'm disappointed because I could have made more money. That's a possibility. But it's all up to you guys. It's all up to how much you guys are willing to risk. I like having my money because I could always buy back if I need to. If there's a rejection or a bounce here, I can get back in on the bounce. It usually tends to come up and test the trend line anyways. So I'm thinking worst case scenario is we come up here, we come back down, and we test this 33 or 3360 or 3370 area. Pretty much where we're at. I mean, if you guys get out and right now or got out earlier, my earlier video, you're pretty much buying back in where you started anyways. That's how I look at it, but at least you have money, okay? But guys, I mean, this could go higher. I'm not going to lie to you. Based on the chart, this could go higher. It's up to you on what you want to do. Let's look at the hour chart here. I will put the video of Kathy Woods talking about this bill in my description of this video. But let's see what we have on the hourly chart here. Let's look. Let's see. Do we have anything special? Let's see. Do we have a little wedge here? Maybe we can drop a little wedge. Let's see here. We have a little wedge. 1 touch, 2, 3 touch. Let's draw it up higher. Okay, here. Let's go here. Let's go here, because we just a wick. That doesn't matter. If a candle closes under here, maybe an hourly candle under here, then we could see more downside. So maybe if an hourly candle closes under here, then we can get the rollover. That's a possibility. But this is this. I mean, that's a possibility. Or we test this 45 and see what happens. We get a wick up, test the 45 and roll over. Those are our possibilities. Okay, so an hourly candle close under here. That is something to look out for. Let's see, what else do we have? Anything on Ethereum that we can look for? I don't want to I want to get this video out to you guys so you guys don't miss out on anything. You can see it's getting a little bit more bullish as we're getting closer to the close. Is this a potential W maybe? No, not really. It's kind of ugly. It's just stagnant. But you can see that we're getting some push here. Maybe a little squeeze. The shorts are actually that's going up a little bit on that chart. But maybe there's a short squeeze and we run. And these are the not so good parts about trading with crypto. Okay, because you got news looming. And you guys know, all it takes is a tweet and everything just goes downhill, okay? All it takes is a tweet. All it takes is one little bad thing being said. The next thing you know, all this is just rolling right over. So it's all about your tolerance, guys. You guys could you guys could do what you want, trade how you want to. We did come out. I did draw this little angle here. We back tested it. We hit a little spot. I think if 31.30, if that can hold up, and maybe get a 4-hour close above there. We could test out that 31.70 again. That is a possibility, but it's dangerous. So you guys just trade on your own risk. Okay, trade at your own risk. I hate telling people to get out on a bullish chart like this. It kills me. It just absolutely kills me. But I don't know what's going to happen in the next 24 hours, 48 hours. And it's just, God, it just kills me to do this to you guys because the chart still looks bullish. But you know what? There is a potential pullback looming. Okay, and the shorts are starting to step in. There's some signs here that we could possibly roll over, but there's also, I thought we could have hit that 45 first, and if we hit the 45, Ethereum should go back up too a little bit. And then get rejected. I thought that was our possibility. But hey, I could be wrong. And this thing could roll over. There could be a bad tweet. But right now, it's still looking bullish, guys. So listen, much love to you guys. I'm not going to even put my intro in there because it takes forever to load. Time I load this video, who knows what the price will be. I'm just going to get it out to you. And listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel. That's all I'm asking for. I want to go live. I have to get to 1,000, I believe 1,000 subs to go live. So guys, get me there so we can go live and start doing this live. So you don't get any of these crazy delays. Okay. So listen, much love to you guys. And I hope everybody makes money. I hope everything works out for any direction that you guys want to go with here. And just, much love. Peace out.